Hello, in today's video, we are going to learn how to read UID code from RFID tags. So in this video, I am using Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi, the RS522 RFID sensor. And in the next video, I'm going to add the servo model, okay, to this project. So let's start with our connection. So from 3.3 volt of the sensor to the 3.3 volt of the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi, we have this red wire. Next, we need another wire. So for our reset pin from the sensor, the reset pin, I attach it to the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi pin 9. And then I grab another jumper wire. This is the black wire. So the black wire is our ground. So sensor, the ground sensor to Arduino ground pin. And then I'm not going to use the IRQ pin on the sensor. So I'm going to skip that pin. Now this is the MISO pin, okay? Master in and slave out pin on the sensor. And this pin is going to Arduino Uno pin 12. So next, so I connected to pin 12. Next, we have the master out and slave in MOSI pin. So this pin goes to Arduino Uno pin 11, and the next one is the clock pin SSCK. SSCK pin is going to Arduino R4 Wi-Fi pin 13. And then so 13. The last one is the pin SDA. SDA is our data pin. It's going to pin 10 of the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi. So the setup is done. Now what we need to do, we need to upload the code. So for that, I need to connect the cable. I am using C-type cable because Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi uses this type of cable. So that's our connection secret diagram. Very easy, as you can see. Okay, so now to read the tags, the RFID tags and the key fob tags, we need to install first off the this library MFRS522 library, MFRC522 library. So, and we wait for a few seconds for the library so that the library can be installed on your machine. So yeah, it was installed. Once it was it's installed, goes to File, Examples, and search for this one, and then click on Dump Info, Code, or Example. This is the code that will allow us to read the unique identifier, I guess, the UID code from the of the RFID tag. Okay, so everything is correct. Okay, in the code, so you just need to look to search for your board. Mine is Arduino Uno A4 Wi-Fi. You can use a normal Arduino Uno board. Now you click to upload the code, the sketch, so you can know the UID card, okay, or code of your RFID tag or key fob. Okay, so the key fob is the I can say is the blue tag, and the RFID tag is the white tag. Okay, so okay, so the code is being uploaded. Okay, it's done. Now you go to serial monitor. Now I'm reading the UID code of the RFID tag, the white tag, and this is the UID code of this tag. Okay, card UID. Now we're gonna read for the key fob. Okay, the blue one, and as you can see, it's reading on serial monitor, and this is the UID code for this tag, blue tag, or key fob, and this also its UID. Okay, so yeah,